If you're over 40 and you wake up feeling tired, heavy, or mentally foggy, even after spending 7 or 8 hours in bed, listen carefully. This isn't just getting older, and it's definitely not something you should ignore. After age 40, your body responds to sleep very differently, and small nightly mistakes can quietly damage your energy, mood, weight, and even your heart health. In this video, I'm going to share 5 sleep mistakes most adults over 40 are making without realizing it. And once you hear them, you may instantly recognize yourself in one or two of them. Here's usually what happens after 40. You feel tired all day, but when bedtime comes, your mind starts racing. Or you fall asleep quickly, then wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. and stare at the ceiling. Many people tell me, "I never had sleep problems before. Why now?" The truth is, hormones change, stress builds up, digestion slows down, and joint or muscle discomfort becomes more noticeable. But the real issue isn't age itself, it's that the sleep habits that worked in your 20s and 30s stop working after 40, and nobody tells you you need to adjust. Let's break down the 5 mistakes and how to fix them. The first mistake is having an irregular sleep schedule. After 40, your internal clock becomes sensitive, so sleeping at different times every night confuses your brain. Try to keep the same bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. The second mistake is screen exposure before bed. Phones, TVs, and tablets suppress melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall into deep sleep, so shutting screens off at least 1 hour before bed can make a big difference. The third mistake is eating heavy or late dinners. Your digestion slows with age, and going to bed full keeps your body working instead of resting. Aim for lighter meals at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep. The fourth mistake is hidden caffeine intake. Many adults don't realize that afternoon tea, coffee, or even energy drinks can disturb deep sleep at night. And the fifth mistake is ignoring natural light. Getting sunlight in the morning helps reset your sleep rhythm and improves nighttime sleep quality naturally. These changes may seem small, but together they can dramatically improve how you sleep. Sleep doctors and health experts consistently agree that adults over 40 need routine and recovery-focused sleep habits. Studies show that people who improve sleep timing, reduce nighttime light exposure, and manage evening digestion experience better memory, lower stress levels, and improved heart health. Many adults who fix just 2 or 3 of these habits report waking up with more energy, fewer aches, and better mood within weeks. Good sleep after 40 isn't optional. It's one of the strongest foundations of long-term health. So let's recap. If you're over 40, stop ignoring irregular sleep times, late-night screens, heavy dinners, hidden caffeine, and lack of morning light. These 5 mistakes quietly damage your sleep, but the good news is they're completely fixable. If this video helped you understand why sleep feels harder now, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical health guidance for adults over 40. This content is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice, so always consult your healthcare provider if sleep issues continue. In the next video, we'll talk about natural ways to improve deep sleep without medication, so stay connected. Take care of your sleep, and I'll see you in the next one.